Originally, my plan was to go to Fresno State. I got accepted into Fresno State and I went for my orientation, and I ended up only getting one class.
I am a returning college student, and returning to college after a long break is a challenge.
I showed up on the first day of school to COS. I didn't even know that COS was starting that day that I had went. I showed up, they got me into my classes, I went and I crashed some courses. The teachers were amazing. I left here with a full schedule and I was very happy.
Always knew I wanted to go into a law enforcement career. Coming here just helped me solidify my choices and know what I really wanted to do. I got to give a shout out to Hammond, man. He was one of the best teachers I've ever had. He just made learning fun, and I really did learn everything and was able to retain it while having fun.
It's a very diverse community out here. We have people coming from different backgrounds, different age group. You will have a lot of opportunity meeting different people and a lot of resources from different fields.
I'm strictly at the Hanford campus, and I do live in Hanford, so that's great. Being able to go to school in your hometown, it's nice. I don't have to drive.
My classes here at COS helped me learn more about myself and allowed me to build a plan and go off of that.
Right now, I'm taking health sciences. It's going to open a lot of doors, any field, medical related. The cat kind of saw it. This is by far the best community college experience that I ever had out of my 38 years.
Everyone here wants to see you succeed.
There's a bunch of people here that just make everything so much easier.
Community here is just very welcoming. College of Sequoias provide the resources for you to be successful.